Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. Today we will learn how to create and use data entry form in Microsoft Excel 365. In this tutorial, we are working with the student registration data, and our goal is to make this data set into a simple data entry form. Let's get started. Before we begin, first ensure the Form button is visible on the Quick Access toolbar. The Quick Access toolbar is the small strip of icons located at the very top of the Excel window. To do that, first click on the File tab, select Options at the very bottom. This opens up Excel Options dialog box. From the left menu, select Quick Access Toolbar. Under Choose Commands Form, select the drop-down and choose All Commands. Scroll down and find the form in the command list. Once you find it, select it and click Add, and then press OK. As a result, the Form button is available in the Quick Access toolbar. Let's head back to our dataset. Now that the Form button is added to the Quick Access toolbar, let's change this dataset into a simple data entry form. First, select the entire dataset. Here, we will select from cell A1 to E11. Then press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This opens up Create Table dialog box. Ensure My Table has headers checkbox is checked, and click OK. The data is now formatted into a table. Next, let's set up data validation rules. Select the cells from cell D1 to D11. Go to the Data tab. In Data Tools section, click on Data Validation icon. This opens up Data Validation dialog box. In the Settings tab, under Allow, click the drop-down and select Whole Number. Then under Data, ensure that Between is selected. Finally, set a range for the minimum to 850 and the maximum to 950. Then click OK. As you can see here, this restricts score entries to whole numbers between 0 and 1000. A quick note, if an error message appears beside a cell, it means the entry doesn't meet the data validation rule. Now to open the data entry form, select any cell within the table and click the Form button in the Quick Access toolbar. This opens the Data Entry Form dialog box with all our column headers as fields. Let's see how to use the form for different tasks. To navigate through records, click Find Next to go forward, or click Find Pref to go backwards. Next, to update a record, click inside the field you want to change. For example, navigate to David Ross's record using the Find Next or Find Pref button. In this case, I'll press Find Next as David Ross's record is after Christina. Now we have the David Ross's record. Now we can update any field we want. For example, I can change the record of the score from 810 to 850 and press Enter. As you can see, after pressing Enter, the form immediately saves changes to the table. Now if you want to delete a record, for example, here we will delete Veronica's record, click the Delete button. A warning pop-up appears. Click OK to confirm. As you can see, this permanently removes the record from our table. To restore unsaved changes, for example, here in James' record, let's change the score to 900. But click Restore before pressing Enter. This reverts the form to original saved values. If you want to search for records, click the Criteria button in the form, enter a file in the name field, and press Enter. This searches through the records and finds the matching entry. Now to add a new record, click the New button. The form clears all fields for new data entry. Let's enter new data as a test. In the registration number, type 1152011. For the name, let's type Jake. Let's give it a date of birth, 11th Jan 96. Let's set the score to 860 and let's set the position to 11th. Finally, press Enter or click New to save the record. The form automatically adds this new record to the bottom of our table. Press on Close once you're done. And there you have it. We have successfully created a data entry form that allows us to easily navigate, update, delete, restore, and add records without working directly in the spreadsheet. This concludes our tutorial. Download the workbook link below. Visit excelinsider.com for more Excel and Google Sheet tutorials. Feel free to comment your questions and feedback. Thanks for watching.